Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your phone is unlocked, charged, and connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Settings app now because speed matters. Go directly to System or General Management. Once there, tap Language and input or Languages. The label varies. Make sure you note the current language order before changing anything because you may need to revert. Next, tap Add Language to begin. This is the first actionable step that moves you from preparation into the actual. Once you tap Add Language, search for the desired language by name or region because dialects matter. If the phone prompts to download a language pack, allow it. Downloads can include keyboard and voice resources. After installation, you will see the language in the list, press and hold, or use the menu to move it to the top so it becomes primary. Make sure to confirm system prompts. Some apps require a restart, so note any instructions and continue to the finalization steps. To finish, check the interface. Once the language is set to primary, most menus update immediately. If not, restart the phone to force a refresh. Make sure the keyboard layout matches the language in keyboard settings. Change it if characters look wrong. If an app still shows the old language, clear its cache or reinstall. If you can't navigate because of an unfamiliar language, use the settings search icon to type the original language name, or restart and revert to the previous language to recover access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.